many of us, when we hear the word desert, immediately picture a familiar scene. Vast stretches of sand, dotted with oases, palm trees, and a sun that shows no mercy, like the Sahara Desert or the Rub al-Khali. But what if I told you that America is home to vast deserts, as well spanning large parts of the southwestern United States and extending into northern Mexico? Some are covered in shrubs, others contain mountain ranges, and some even experience snowfall at times. Would you believe it? How can a landscape that bears little resemblance to the deserts we know still be classified as a desert? Watch the video until the end to find out. Before we travel through the deserts of America, we need to first understand what the word desert actually means. A common misconception is that a desert is simply a sandy land, but from a geographical perspective, a desert is not defined by sand at all. A desert is simply a place that receives very little rainfall, making it difficult for most plants and animals to survive, except for a few specially adapted species. This is why there are deserts that look nothing like the traditional image we often imagine. In North America, several vast deserts stretch across the Southwest, each appearing like an entirely different world. There are harsh, rocky terrains, dry plains, elevated plateaus, scattered vegetation, shrubs, cacti, and valleys that look almost alien. Among the most famous are the Mojave Desert, home to Death Valley, and extending across Southern California, the Sonoran Desert, the Chihuahuan Desert, and the Great Basin Desert. Each one is different from the others, yet they all share one defining feature: dryness. But an important question remains. Why do these deserts exist? The answer lies in mountains. When moist air masses move inland from the ocean, they collide with western mountain ranges. The air is forced upward, where it cools and releases its moisture as rainfall on only one side of the mountains. As a result, entire regions on the opposite side receive very little rainfall. This phenomenon is known as the rain shadow effect, and it is one of the main reasons behind the formation of American deserts. A desert does not have a single fixed form, as many of us imagine. What makes the American deserts deserts is not sand, but the scarcity of rainfall and their specific climatic conditions. And perhaps this is what makes geography so different from the images our memory tends to create.